4A.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine.
Fine, ma'am.
Sleepy?
Fine.
Early morning it's raining. Are you sleepy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
It is
Those who are
raining.
sleepy,
It is
stand up and
raining.
stretch yourself. Those who
It's
are
raining,
sleepy,
ma'am.
stand up and stretch yourself. Math class, we need more attentive, okay? You have to be more attentive even if it is raining.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, now it's 10 o'clock, I think, no? 40. So I
10:43,
hope
ma'am.
all are fresh. Okay, now children, please mute, okay? Disturbance.
Okay, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Please mute, okay? Glenn, the
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Navneet.
want to ask a question.
Who's that?
Glenn.
Okay, Glenn.
Ma'am, 13th question, the use of the thing of the pen, hinge of the pencil is to use to draw is the answer.
It is used to tighten the pencil now so that we can control the movements. We have sent in WhatsApp, okay? One more time we will send it, okay?
Yes.
One more time I will send it. Okay. Okay, now children, please mute your audio.
Okay.
Okay? We are waiting only to 1 or 2 minutes because children are joining the class, okay?
Yeah. Please tell one more.
Okay, so good morning, children. Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to a maths class. Okay.
Morning, ma'am.
Now, in the last class, we have discussed.
Good morning,
Please,
ma'am.
okay, mute. Okay. Now, just we are revising what we have done so far. Okay. So we were discussing circle and its parts, and we have discussed various parts of the circle, and we finished how to draw a circle, using given radius using compass. And in the last class, we have discussed how to identify different parts like center, radius, chord, diameter from the given circle. Yes, we have discussed it from the given picture, circle, from the given figure. Okay, now today we are going to discuss the word problems. Okay, word problems. If the radius is given, I will ask one by one. Only those person will unmute and say. Adidev, your mic is not muted. Glenn also. So,
I will mute now.
Ryan, which letter we will denote? Which letter we will denote to represent diameter? Which letter?
D.
D. Okay, it's D. Who said the answer? I think Jenika. So diameter, small letter D is, we will use a small letter D to denote the diameter, to represent the diameter. Now what's the relation between radius and diameter? D is equal to, Navneet, can you say what is diameter? Small letter D is equal to, small letter D is equal to, Navneet, can you
D
hear
is
me?
equal to 2 into R.
2 into R. Very good. Siddhi has raised the hand. Okay, many children. I can see many children has raised the hand. Okay, very good. So what is diameter is 2 times R. So Siddhi, if diameter is given, how will find the radius? If diameter is given, how will find the radius?
R is equal to D by 2.
Divided by 2. Very good. Excellent. Divided by 2. Okay, children, you know multiplication and division, they are multiplication and division, they are opposite operations, or we can say they are reverse. They are reverse operations. Okay. So if radius is given, if radius r is given, how to find the diameter? You will multiply by 2. But if diameter is given, how to find the radius? You will divide by 2. Because they are opposite. You know, we have drawn the picture where the diameter is only half. It is joining from the center to the edge. It is from the center, that is from the middle point to the edge. And what about the diameter? Diameter, it's from one edge to another and it passes through the center. So from the picture, it is clear diameter is the biggest one. So diameter is 2 times r. It is the double of radius. But if it is double, how to find the radius? You have to divide by 2. And you know the table of 2 easily, because we can do that calculation very fast. Okay, Alessandra, if 7 is the radius, what is the diameter? 7 is the radius. What is diameter? You know diameter is 2 into r. 2 into 7, yes. What is 2 into 7? 14. Very good.
14.
So if they are asking diameter is 14, how will you find the radius? Divide by 2. 14 divided by 2. What is the answer? 7. Understood? So if 7 is given as radius, how will you find the diameter? 7 into 2. That is 14. Now if 14 is given, that is diameter is given, how will you find the radius? 14 divided by 2. 7. Opposite
7.
options. Okay, children? Now we are going to do question number 17. That's word problems. I will do 2 questions with the words steps on the board. And question number 20 you will do as a homework. So you can write fast in a rough book, and later on you have enough time at home. No, you can write neatly in the workbook. Okay, children? So you can write the calculation and all. You have to do alone in a rough book. So always you keep one rough book with you. So we can do the calculation. If I give you 20 as the radius diameter, you can do 10 divided by 2. What is the radius? You can do the calculations. Okay, children? So we are going to do now workbook question number 17. All the children, please take question number 17. Page number what? It's 4, no? Page number 4. Page number 4. Very good. Which question we are going to do now? Question number 17. Okay, very good. Question number 17.
Ma'am, whenever class start, ma'am.
Just now.
Okay, I will tell one person to read. Okay, all others, please keep silent. Okay. So, Izan, can you read question number 17?
Tina drew a circle with her frisbee that has a diameter of
14. Very good. Okay, Tanvi, what is given here? What is given here?
14.
Diameter is given. Okay, very good. Now, Sri Hari, can you please unmute and say what we have to find out? What we have to find out?
We need to find the radius.
Very good, because we had to find the radius. Okay, Haira. Okay, Manav, can you tell how to find the radius? If
Ma'am,
is given
14 divided by
14 divided by 2. Very good, excellent. 14 divided by 2, that is 7.
7.
Understood?
2 is
Now this is a word problem. We have to write the steps. Okay, children. So we will I will write it faster, and children, you will write all these in a rough book. Afterwards, you can write all the steps neatly in your workbook, and I will send the notes. Okay.
Send-
So what
ma'am,
will
will
you
you
write
send
first?
this?
Who is
Ma'am.
calling?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me who is
It's
that?
11. Ma'am, if 11 is diameter, so what would be the radius?
That will be 5.5. But you have not studied decimals, no? So it will not be like that. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
It will be even numbers. Decimals will not be given for you.
ma'am,
Ah,
will you send this in WhatsApp?
yes, I will send this in the WhatsApp. Who cannot see the board? Children, Glenn,
Yes.
Navaneet, or just can you see the board?
Ma'am, I can see.
Yes. Those who cannot see, I think there will be some network issues. No problem. I will send all these in the WhatsApp. Okay, and we have the recorded sessions. Okay. Now we are going to write the steps. We are going to write the steps. So what will be the first step? What is given? Diameter is given. So we will write diameter of another color for you so that you can see properly.
Diameter
Of circle.
Okay, we can write diameter of the frisbee. Diameter of the frisbee. That is 14 centimeter. Next, what we will write? What we have to find out? Look at this. What is its radius? What is its radius? So what we'll do? We have to find out radius of the frisbee. Yes? What do we have to find out? Radius of the frisbee.
Frisbee. 14 divided by.
Yes, of the. Can children fast and find out the answer and be ready with the answer? 14 divided by 2. What's the answer?
7.
7. And one more thing I have to write it here. What is the unit? What is the unit given?
Diameter divided by 2.
That is here. 7 what? Look at here. 14 what is given? Centimeter.
7
So
centimeter.
it will be in centimeter cm. Okay. So if you have
7
the last one line, you can write. So the radius of the. So some children, if you have used already 3 lines, you will not have place. So no need to write that. Okay. Others can write. So the radius of. So the radius of the frisbee. Radius of the frisbee is 7 centimeter. Okay. So the radius is 7 centimeter. Children, it's over.
No, ma'am.
Children, you can write fast.
No, ma'am.
Even if it is. That's why I told you to write in your rough book. Okay. What do you have to do? Diameter. After this class also you can write alone. Diameter is given 14. Next step will be diameter. What is diameter? No, you have to find out the radius. So radius is only half. So 14 divided by 2, 7. Okay, children, we will do the next question. Okay. Those who have not finished, I will be sending through the WhatsApp. Don't worry, because otherwise we will not be able to finish our questions. Okay, who is going to read now? Prithvi. Okay. All others please mute and Prithvi is going to read. Prithvi is
The
going to
lid
read.
of a tank has a radius of 10 centimeter. What
Very
is
good.
its
is it?
diameter?
Diameter.
Diameter.
Very good. Risa, what is given? The lid of a tank has, what is given here? What is given?
Of 10 centimeter.
Radius is given. Okay, very good. Izan, what we have to find out? What we have to find out?
Diameter.
Diameter we have to find out. Okay. So, Niranjan, can you say the first step, Niranjan? What we have to write?
Diameter of the
Radius or diameter?
The radius.
Check. Which is the question? Lid of a tank has a radius of 10 centimeters. So now what we will write the first step? What we will write as first step?
radius of
Radius. Very good. Radius.
of tank.
First given is radius. Okay. Okay, please
Radius
mute
of
and write faster. Radius of the lid. Radius of the lid is given as 10 centimeter. Okay, Krishnananda, what will I write in the next step? What is the next step? What we have to find out? Look at the question. What is its diameter? So what will I write?
Radius of the tank.
Radius is already given. Radius of the lid.
Diameter of
Diameter, very good. Diameter. Diameter of the lid. We have to write, yes. Diameter. Diameter of the lid. Diameter. Children, diameter D is equal to
2 into 2.
2 into R. 2
R.
into R. So we can write the diameter. We can write the diameter of the lid is equal to. We can write the step like 2 into R. That is 2 into 10. What is 2 into 10? Jenika? Jenika? 20. And what is the unit? 20 what?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Okay, good. Excellent. Okay, children. So we have find out the diameter and we will underline 2 lines and we can write. So the diameter of the lid. So the diameter of the lid is equal to. So the diameter
The diameter is
of
of the lid
the
is equal to
lid
20 centimeter.
is equal to 20 centimeter. Yes, yes. I told no. I will send these all in the WhatsApp. And if not send in the WhatsApp also, you are telling me the steps. Yes. First, what is given? You have to write what is given. Radius. So we will write radius of the lid is equal to. Next, what you have to find out? What is the diameter? So what will be the next step? Diameter of the lid. Diameter of the lid. Okay. It's clear? 20 centimeter. Okay, children, going to now next question. Okay, 1 minute I will give. Complete. 2 into R, 2 into 10, that is 20 centimeter. So last step we are writing as the answer. So the diameter of the lid of the tank is 20 centimeter.
Done.
Okay, children. Is that clear? Is there any difficulty in the word problems?
No, ma'am.
No. Yes?
No, ma'am.
But
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. What about the question number? No, ma'am.
question number 18. We have discussed now 17 and 18. Okay, 17 and 18. 17 and 18. Okay, so what we were discussing, you have to read the question properly, children. What is given? If the radius is given and you have to find the diameter, what do you have to do? Have to write diameter D is equal to 2 times R. Who is calling?
I don't know.
Who was calling me? Can you say the name?
Mayuk.
Okay, Mayuk. Yes.
Ma'am, I joined now.
Okay. So we have discussed question number 17 and 18. Mayuk, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. I will explain one more time. Okay. And I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. Okay. WhatsApp. So what we were discussing? We were discussing the word problems. If the radius is given, how we will find the diameter? Radius. If suppose radius is 7, you have to find the diameter. What we will do? We will write diameter is equal to 2
Divided by 2.
That is 2 into 7. That is 14. Okay, Celine, if 9 is the radius. Okay, Celine, unmute. If 9 is the radius, what is the diameter? 9 into 2.
18.
18. Very good. Parvati, Parvati, can you hear me? If 10 is the radius, what is the diameter?
20.
10 into 2.
20.
20. Okay, children. 20. If radius is given, how to find the diameter? You have to multiply by 2. That way we were discussing. And same way, if diameter is given, you have to divide by 2. Okay, Maria. Maria, can you tell me if 20 is the diameter, what is its radius? Where is Maria? Yes, Maria. If 20 is the diameter, what is the
40.
radius?
40.
20 divided by 2.
40.
Diameter is the big.
40.
We have to make it small.
40.
Someone is telling me
Ma'am,
40.
40.
No, I'm asking Maria.
10.
Diameter is given. Very good. Diameter is given. So what is the radius? 10.
10.
Because you know, radius is only half. Okay, children, don't get confused. Don't get confused. Radius is given. How you will find the diameter? You will multiply. But if diameter is given, how to find the radius? Divide by 2. Understood? You know, division and multiplication, they are opposite. Okay, children?
Yes,
Okay? Okay. Now we are going to do question number 19. Before going to do that, let me see who is going to. Devarsh, on your video.
Mama.
Yes, Devarsh. Cannot see Devarsh. Okay. Aditi, can you read question number 19?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Who's that? Aditi?
Yes, ma'am.
Read louder.
cannot hear you.
Who is that? Who cannot hear? Tell me your name.
Devars.
Okay, Devarsh, I think some connectivity issues there. Diya and Rudra and all, tell me.
Ma'am, can you read?
Can I read this? Ma'am, can I read?
Raj has a
Ma'am,
circular
Aditi is
clock
reading.
with
Can I see the board? Raj has a
diameter.
Raj has a circular clock with a diameter of 12 centimeters. has another
Okay.
another circular clock with a
Raj has.
diameter of
Children,
8
please mute.
centimeters. What is the radius of each of the clock?
Let me see who is not mute. Felix, please mute. I told one to read, and if 3 or 4 will read together, nobody will understand. All Navneet not. Parvati,
Hello,
Navneet,
ma'am. It's Sarah.
Aditi, Hridvi, please mute.
Son.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you see me, Tanvi?
Yes, Tanvi. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay. Now please mute. Going to share the screen. The question again. Okay. Raj has a circular clock with diameter 12. Shyam has another circular with diameter 8. What is the radius of each of the clock? We have to find out. Nainika, what is the diameter of Raj's clock? Look at the question and tell me. What is the diameter of Raj's clock? Raj's clock diameter is given as. What's the diameter, Nainika? Diameter is given 12. So what is the first step? Diameter of Raj's clock. You can write faster. Diameter of whose clock? Here it's Raj. Diameter of Raj's clock. Diameter is given 12 centimeter. Okay. Felix, can you tell me the radius? The question is radius. You have to find the radius of each of the clock. So radius of Raj's clock. Radius of. Yes, Felix. You know, radius will be the half. 12 divided by 2. Radius is the half of diameter. 12 divided by 2. Yes, Felix. Number multiplied by 2, you will get 12.
6,
Huh?
ma'am.
6. Ma'am, there is
6. Okay.
disturbing
6 centimeter. Very good. 6 into 2 is 12. 6 into 2 is 12. So what is 12 divided by 2? That is 6. Okay. Okay, Isha. Now next what you have to find out? One more boy is there. What is his name? Isha?
Raj.
Raj is over.
I
Shyam. Okay, Shyam. Shyam. Okay. Next we will write
can see the
diameter.
board.
Who cannot see the board?
Siddhi.
Huh?
Siddhi.
Kridvi. All others, Manav and Avandika, can you see the board?
Ma'am, I can see the board.
I can see the board.
Maybe Kridvi, maybe some network issues.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I can see the board, ma'am.
All other children, they are able to see the board. Maybe some network issue.
see the board.
Okay, children, please mute. Okay, okay. So next what we will write? Diameter of Shyam's clock. Diameter of Shyam's clock. It is given. What is Shyam's clock diameter is given? Tanvi, can you say? What is the diameter given for Shyam's clock? 8 centimeter. Very good. Now what we have to find out?
Radius.
Radius. Okay, very good. Radius. Radius of
8 into 2.
Shyam's. Who is telling into? Diameter is given. How to find 8 divided by 2? Yes. Find out the answer and tell me. 8 divided by 2.
8 divided by 2.
4.
4. Anybody got 16?
No.
No?
ma'am.
Okay. We have to divide, not multiply. 88 divided by 2, that is 4. What is 4? Centimeter. You have to write 4 centimeter. Okay?
Who has a smaller clock?
Now. Okay. Let me ask Risa. Whose clock is smaller? Shyam's clock have radius 6 and no, Raj clock has 6 radius and the other one is 4.
Shams.
Okay, Risa, tell me, where is Risa?
Shams.
Whose clock is smaller? Whose clock? Shyam's. Very good. You have to write the last step. Last step. All children, please mute and write. Shyam's clock is smaller. Shyam's clock is smaller.
Ma'am, so we should give.
Okay, children.
Ma'am, we should give 4.
Okay, children. Now it's okay. Question number 20 will be the homework. Question number 20 is same like this. Now it's easy, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
If the radius is given, how will you find the diameter? You will multiply by 2. If diameter is given, how will you find the radius? Divide by 2. Understood? Okay. We will discuss the question, then you will do the arts homework. Okay. The 2 water bottle caps have radii 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. What is the diameter? What is the diameter is the question. If radius is given 2, what is the diameter? What is the diameter?
4.
2 into
4.
4. So you will write what is the first step? Radius of the first cap, bottle cap. Radius of the first bottle cap, 2 centimeter. Diameter of the first bottle cap, 2 into 2, that is 4. Next, what we will write? Radius of the second bottle cap, 3 centimeter and diameter. Understood? What is the homework? Okay, children?
20th question.
20th
Question number 20 is the homework. So what is, you have to write the step. What is the first you have to think and read the question. What is given? That will be the first step. So it is given, radius is given. So radius of the first water bottle cap, you will write, that is 2. Now next step, what do you have to find out? What do you have to find out? Diameter. So diameter of the first bottle cap. Second also, you will write second bottle also. Radius is given, you have to find the diameter. Okay, children, now it's the time to wind up the session. Is there any doubt?
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
I will be sending this all in the WhatsApp. Question number 20 is the homework. Okay, children? Bye.
Bye.